Hey guys, it's the 4th of, I'm sorry, the 1st of September, and we paved this driveway yesterday. Just putting the gates back. There was like 428 coppers we installed here. This place was a mess. And we also added some electrical conduit from here to the little island. And went all the way around. That's just dirt from the rollers. It'll wash off. Yeah, and all the water just flows all the way down, right off. Beautiful home. And there's the owners. Hey, do you recommend Pave Tech?
Well, I don't know. Let's figure out how this call.
All right, over and out.